Well, there's my van. Guess where I'm at? I'm in southern New Mexico. Good morning. Well, this is a different view, and the lighting is horrible. Yep, I'm in the van, and Deborah and I are headed to town. We got some errands to do. Gotta go pick up some things from Albertsons and Lowe's. Not going to Walmart today, but anyway, it's early morning. It's about 8 o'clock. We're already almost into town. Let's see what else we get into. Huh? Huh?
Yes! Very excited!
What do I see? Find a penny, pick it up. If you find 4, pick all those up. Oh man, look at that. Yippee! I just asked. I need a tape measure.
Oh, I have one in my purse. Doesn't everybody carry one in their purse?
Yeah. Is that going to be long enough? Let's see. I said 53. Yeah, that's 60.
Oh, well then isn't this perfect?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Cool.
Let's get that one.
Awesomeness. This little thing comes in so handy.
Yeah. He just sits there with his beak in the drippings. He says, oh, that feels so good. Drip, drip, drip. Is it getting your nose? Drip, drip. Good morning. It's been a while since I've done a driving video, talking video, any kind of video. Did some artwork, recorded that. As I think I mentioned in a previous clip video at the first of this, is that I'm in southern New Mexico and it's hot here. Yeah, I think it's like 10:30 in the morning right now, and it's like 90 degrees. It's not bad. It's nothing compared to South Texas. Nothing compared to that humidity and being in Rockport and all that. Yeah, this is nothing. And so yeah, I'm at an RV park. I'm here with Deborah, and we're working on projects, and I've got a couple of projects that I need to do that I've been putting off, and so I'm gonna work on those in between some of her projects, and we'll be filming some of those, some we won't, and but anyway, hopefully we're going to go do some adventuring too. But it being so hot, it's hard to, we got to always be aware of the dogs and where they are and what they're doing, and not, really wanting to leave them behind to go do something else, or, and then when they go with us, then, like if we go to town and go to Walmart or something, we usually, one person will stay in the truck and with the air conditioner going, and the other one will stay in the, go in and shop. And did I just really mess that up? Anyway, you get what I mean. What else? What else? This is just kind of a catch-up video from when I was up north, and now I'm down south, and I was kind of doing a transitional video because I was up north and I was heading north, further north, and then I did a 180-degree turn, and now I'm south. So, yeah, the weather's a little different, but like I said, it's not really that bad. We did have I'll take that back. On one day it was 110 degrees. That was hot, but air conditioner did fine in the truck camper, and you just hunker down for that day, and then the rest of the time 90 degrees. As long as you're not out in the sun and you're not doing a whole lot, then it's not too bad. But like right now, just sitting in the shade outside, it's not bad at all. So anyway, I guess that's the update video, and from here on out there'll be some project videos and what else? Well, I guess we'll just wait and see. All right, I'm gonna get off here and go do dishes. Yeah, I need to do some dishes and clean the camper, and tomorrow's laundry day, so I'm just trying to get ready for tomorrow. And so anyway, I will see y'all in the next video.